Hello, and this is TradingView platform. For those who are still new, this is a very good platform for all traders who want to get involved in the financial markets because this platform here is very unique in a sense because it has all the products. What I mean, it has stocks, it has cryptocurrencies, it has Forex as well in it, all in one. And there's so much in it. There's so much news that are coming out, articles that are coming out of TradingView. But here I want to share with you basics when you get started with TradingView. This is the interface, or this is the charts. This is the whole setup of the charts. So I'll be showing you how to place an order. But before all of that, I need to show you some of the features here on TradingView. Right here on my right hand side, you can see here these are all the pairs that you can trade with, and of course you can add on them if you want to by clicking plus here. If you want to see some maybe pairs that you want to trade on that you don't see, like let's say for instance the Australian dollar Japanese yen pair, you can just simply click on it and it will just simply register on that panel. There is Australian dollar versus Japanese yen, including crypto, including stocks, because there's also Tesla stocks and there's also commodities. You have UK oil, US oil, you have stocks, which is Apple as well. Also Bitcoin versus the US dollar and the USDT pairs right already set up for you. But if you have some pairs that you want to trade, you can always go to this button here, click right here, and then just always add them. But before all that, before you can start with TradingView, before you can learn all of these features that we see on this chart, you must first learn how to go to TradingView by simply going to your Google search engine, and you just simply type in TradingView.com or whatever you need to type in that has to relate to TradingView. But what's important is that when it opens, you need to go to TradingView, and it will show you track all markets, and you go straight to track all those markets, and you're gonna maybe see a view like this, and you might see an interface like this. It changes from time to time with TradingView, because in my time there was a time when I started back in 2019, it was a lot different, but now it has changed because things are evolving in the market. So you might get a little lost when you are starting, but find your way around, and then you're gonna have to go to products, go to currently products. If you want to see the same chart that I was showing you, then you're gonna go to charts. And now, since I've already registered, what's important is that you need to register first. You need to register first on TradingView, all your details. I also have my registration, all my details here, and you will be seeing your name also right there. There's my details, there's my name there, with my email address. All my profile is there. So you need to get registered first go to Google, then go TradingView, and then you're gonna start registering, and then you're gonna start get connected. It's for free, so there's no charges for it. It's free of charge. So this platform here has been evolving, as I was saying, and you can be able to utilize some of the tools back and forth. But I want to start first with the Forex pair right there that I've already chosen here on top, which is the Great British Pound US dollar pair. I can change it as well. I can go down and change the pair, and then it will show me another chart, which is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. And I can go to stocks if I want to see stocks. So it's quite a diverse platform, if I should say. It's very diverse and very easy to use. But for a new user, it might be complicating. But this video, hopefully, it's gonna be helpful for new users as we go along. So as I was saying, also commodities, you can see the US oil chart right there. So also they're on top. Right there's also time frames: 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. If you want to see 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, that's the one that I like the most, that I mostly observe. And what's more interesting here about TradingView, they also assist you with sort of like a signal right there at the bottom. As you can see right there at the bottom, I want to go back to my Great British Pound US dollar pair, and then right there at the bottom you can see like it has sort of like a signal showing you that there's a strong sell, a strong buy, or the market is neutral, or there's a strong sell or a buy. That can be quite helpful for someone who's helping to make decisions on whether to buy or sell on the market. So these are some of the features that you might see. But now, how do you place a trade, or how do you get involved and with TradingView? It's quite simple, because what's more exciting is that you can also trade without having money by using the system called paper trading. Paper trading is the start. If you want to really get started with trading before you can put in real amounts of money in your platform, you have to start with paper trading. So for instance, now we have the Great British Pound here. Let's make a trade. For instance, let's say we want to trade. If you believe that the Great British Pound is going to go up, we're going to buy the pound, or if you believe the pound is going to go down, we're going to sell the pound, for instance. And then you can also use these signals, and this signal is signaling me on a sell side more, so I might just simply make a decision to simply sell the Great British Pound. So on TradingView, this is how it's going to work. You simply come here on this button here, so it's going to show you order panel. It's also going to write for you order panel, and then you click order panel. There are a lot of features here that you see on TradingView on the side right here. But now if I go to my order panel now, because now I have not yet registered myself for broker or for a real account, it will show me this to connect. But now what you do in this situation, after you have gone to your order panel, you simply go here at the bottom, right? And then it's going to show you these panels. Then there's also another panel that shows you a crypto screener. If you want to trade crypto. And then there's also stock screeners if you want to trade stocks. There's forex screeners if you want to trade on the forex market, like your dollar and rand. That's where I'm at right now. I'm on my forex screener, so I'm going to put on the forex screener. And then of course I will go to my trading panel. If I want to get involved with trading, I'm going to go to my trading panel. There's a lot of brokers that they advertise here right there at the bottom. So since I don't have funds to trade right now, I am a beginner, so I'm looking to start and expand my experience with the trading. You go to paper trading. First you go to trading panel, then you go to paper trading, and then you say connect. Now this will happen after you have registered with TradingView. If you have not registered with TradingView, this is impossible for you to trade with paper trading. Paper trading, well, they will give you an amount of $100,000 per coin. Now, $100,000 for an account. So, why? As you can see, there is my account. I've traded a while back, so I've lost some of the paper trading money that I've traded with, which is not real money. I was just testing out the system, seeing how well it works. Well, it's a very, very good system to work, to tell you the truth. Now, paper trading right there, as you can see written in blue, and you'll have seen that green dot. It shows that you are connected. So now I have my pair here, which is the Great British Pound US dollar. I can always take this trading panel down so that I can see the chart more clearly. So I have my panel here. Now I go back to my order panel where I can start now issuing orders. Now it's allowing me, as you can see now, it's allowing me so that I can start trading. So for instance, I want to sell the Great British Pound. I can just simply click here, sell. So it has these take profit, stop losses. You can adjust them when you have time, but I'll just want to show you a simpler way to adjust them without even having to type so much, so that you can get used to the whole system. So I'm going to just simply sell, and the order will just go right through. Okay, there is it right there. It will tell you order, sell, and so forth, all the information that you need to know when you have placed an order already. So now I have sold the market. I just simply have to brush through my through this line here with my mouse, and then it will show you there is my SL, which is my stop loss. Okay, what I'm gonna do is gonna click on it and then I'm gonna drag on it up. Now my stop loss is gonna come above because I've sold the market. I'm expecting the market to go down. So so I'm gonna just simply say modify. It will show you modify afterwards. Then after that you're gonna go to your take profit, which is beneath because it's a sell market, and then it's gonna come in here. So I can determine, just for practice's reason, not really to be specific about anything. I have placed an order already on my TradingView. This is / a demo account, by the way, and then I just simply I can close this order panel. I can always go back to it if I want to trade more on TradingView, and just to look at what's happening right now. There is my order. It says FX, which is for Forex, which is symbols, Great British Pounds, US dollar. Then I am shorting, which I am selling, which is a sell order that I've placed. Quantity, which is 1,000, and then there is all my trades, and my trade is already running. Though it might be at 0 at first, there is it, and then it's on the plus. I can always close my trade when I want to, but for now I'm gonna wait for it to hit my stop loss or my take profit, and then just to test out the whole system. So this is the best way that you can start with the TradingView, just to know simple things first before you go deeper into it. There are so many features on TradingView that you can get to know, but this is the most basic one. Just placing a trade on the TradingView. There are many other trades that you can place. For instance, also on your Apple stock, if you want to place a trade on your Apple stock as well, you can always go to a trade panel. Then if I believe that the stock which is the Apple stock will be going up, I can always just simply buy the market, and then I just simply say buy. Then it's gonna just simply go in for me. Sometimes I don't have to put stop loss or take profit. There is my stop loss. My stop loss is gonna go down because I believe the market is gonna go up, and then I put modify again, and then I'm gonna come here and then take profit, click and drag it, and then you're gonna put it up there. I believe that I'm gonna take a profit right here, so I can just determine by using my eyesight only. I don't have to really use so much numbers because there is take profit here, stop loss, but these you can adjust them with numbers. Here I just simply use the mouse, just click and drag, simple technique like that, and there is my order right beneath the order that I've placed before of the Great British Pound. Now I have Apple stocks as well going long, which I've bought one quantity. I've bought 1,000 units, one quantity of a stock of Apple for now. So I'm gonna just wait and start seeing profits or losses on neither sides. But this is not the real account. This is an account for you beginners if you are starting on trading on TradingView. If you want to get to know how to trade on TradingView, these are the most basic things that you can start with. Okay, I hope you found that quite helpful, and thank you very much for watching the video. And there will be more on TradingView that I'll be showing, and about cryptocurrencies as well next. Thank you.